Look around. The world isn't just moving fast, it's fracturing. We are drowning in a sea of algorithmic noise. Every time you open your phone, you're bombarded with a million reasons to feel anxious, left behind, or entirely replaced. They call this the golden age of connection, but let's be honest. It feels like the age of overwhelming chaos. We live in troubled times. That's not a cynical hot take, it's just the facts. Social media has turned life into a non-stop, high-stakes competition you never signed up for. It steals your focus, commodifies your attention, and whispers that you aren't enough. And then there's AI, turning the creative world upside down, changing the rules of the game overnight. It's easy to look at a machine that can think, write, and draw in seconds and ask yourself, where do I fit in? What is my worth? The uncertainty is real. The anxiety is loud. But here's the secret. The noise doesn't want you to know. You don't have to let the times dictate your terms. You can live confidently. Not because the world is perfect, but because you choose to be grounded. Confidence isn't ignoring the chaos. It's knowing who you are in the middle of it. Algorithms can mimic human behavior, but they can't duplicate human soul. They don't have your grit. They don't have your unique, messy, beautiful perspective. Disconnect from the outrage machine. Stop letting a feed of strangers dictate your dopamine levels. Leverage the technology, don't fear it. The tools have changed, but the human spirit hasn't. Do not let a troubled generation breed a timid heart. Shut out the noise. Reclaim your focus. You are the author of your focus, the master of your mind. The world out there might be shaken, but your foundation doesn't have to. Step up. Breathe in. Face the chaos, look it in the eye, and walk forward. You can live confidently. Now, go draw your own pee.